I was just coming to here and say I wanted to stop it in the middle. That was just it. I was done. A finished end. Come up here to wherever I want to stop. And I just take something like my shovel, and I would make some nice little sloping end. Round it up a bit, smooth off the corner. That could very easily be a finishing point or a starting point, whichever you wanted it to be. That's all it takes to end. In the middle of nowhere. Sometimes there's a wall, you'll come up into a wall, or you tie into another piece. This could be even for if you wanted to continue on later. If you were stopping now for the day and you wanted to continue on later, I would highly recommend that you break this off and just leave it a little bit jagged so that the next piece isn't coming in flat. Just leave it not perfect. If you were going to stop now for the day and you wanted to come back the next day, this is probably how I would leave it, so that when I tie in, like I did over here, it's not a straight squared off piece, but it actually blends in. Okay. To finish the curbing, I take a sponge that I have basically wrung all the water out of, and as my curb dries, I'll just touch up any imperfections that I see in the curb. This is still too wet really to do it. But just to clean it up, especially on a seam like this, just blend the seam a little bit so that you have that seamless seam. But I have more cement in the bucket, so I'm going to continue on a little bit, and we'll go from there.